Hello my lovely. Once again I have received my subscription box from Alexandra Renke. Can't wait to see what's inside. As always, so here goes. The signature paper as usual. And then we have a little lamb. It looks like it's one of the lambs that was on one of their spring papers last year. What's this? This looks lovely. Wire and some kind of thread. Maybe you can give you a close up. Looks cute. So this is what it looks like unwrapped. It's quite plasticky, so it's stiff. It's neat. It's a little bit like feathers, but not feathers, obviously. Take them out. Then we have some bust. That quite comes in the box quite often, as it's something they regularly use. And then also we have a little nest of this natural material to use for Easter as well, even though they said the package was not supposed to contain Easter materials. Then we have a washi tape. I have the exact same one, but this one is orange or peach color, and the other one I have is red. Then we have the monthly stamp for May, in German obviously, and we have an embossing tool, and that's quite handy because I have one or several, but this one is obviously in the middle to these ones that I already have. So that's very good, and it seems like you're supposed to use the embossing tool with this stencil, and the stencil seems to be for a little bag. And here is the instruction as to how to make the bag. And there you go. It's supposed to, you're supposed to use the embossing tool. First of all, you're supposed to draw the line, then use the embossing tool to get into these grooves, and then of course cut out the rest to be able to tie up the pocket. That's lovely. It's like a carrot box. Oh, it's a carrot box indeed. Möhrenschachtel. Carrot box. Yeah. Love that. And then we have the papers. Some of these I have already seen online, and so this is one that's similar to the ones they had in the last box, i.e. some line drawings and some watercolor coloring. Paper number here is 10, 17, 19 with the little birdies. Then we have a parrot and feathers. Paper number is 10, 17, 20. The battery is low, so I'm going to have to change it in a minute. Then we have another lotus flower. I'm guessing it's a lotus flower. Paper number is 10, 17, 29. And there's another parrot-like. Can't think of the name right now. Cockatiel, perhaps? Bird lovers, don't hold it against me if I don't know. 10, 17, 21 is the number. Really love these colors. And then the huge flower. That's beautiful. And I can just imagine making a carrot box out of that. Beautiful. And the paper number is 10, 17, 18. And then we have some dots on this familiar looking pattern in beige or the paper number is 10, 13, 41 in beige, or it's almost a mustard color. And then we have a white paper. That's Alexandra Renke. It's a quite white, but not 100% snow white. It's off-white tiny little bit. Then we have a grey paper that also looks quite familiar, and the paper number is 101102. I've had this in different colors before, this pattern. And then we have some Easter papers again. They are the ones like last year, I would say. And different bunnies in different situations. Paper number here is 10, 12, 28. And some more bunnies from last year's spring collection, and the paper number is 10/12/07. You can see the bun as it's hopping away. They are so cute, so darn cute. And some donkeys, rows and bunnies with a different flower, and the paper number is, oops, sorry, 10/12/00 or 10/12/00. Cute, isn't it? Isn't it to die for? I also have the washi tape for these feathers and the little row and butterflies. Oh, so cute! Paper number is 10/12/08. And then we have the Alexandra Renke typical pattern again in the also very typical Alexandra Renke gold, which is a darker muted gold. The paper number is 10/11/24. And then a pattern in yellow to go with this washi tape, and it's surrounded by these mustard colored lines and filled with yellow color, and the paper number is 10/11/17. These colors go together. And then one more paper in this typical Alexandra Renke structured pattern. Oops. And the paper number is 10/9/05. So this is the smallest number I've ever seen, I think. So it must be one of the early papers they brought out, and they keep continuing this paper with different colors, so to match all the other papers, obviously.